don't have a flaw, my shining teeth and me.
Alright y'all, welcome back to Honestly Create TV, and I'm keeping you all updated on the Smile Direct Club. So last time I recorded, I showed you all just the packaging, the instructions, the process of doing it, and I told y'all when I did those impressions that I was gonna have to probably redo some things, right? Well, guess what? Not only did I have to redo the impressions for my lower teeth, I also had to take new pictures, and it's crazy because y'all saw that I had the buddy system taking the photos for me, but I'll let you all know what all I did wrong. So I'm just gonna check the email just so I could tell y'all like what was sent to me. So let's see. How y'all doing today? I'm good. Trying to hurry up and squeeze this little update in. So after I did that video of me doing the impressions, I sent them out the next day. I took the photos Sunday night, and they said on Monday, we got your photos. Just want to let you know that we got your photos. By the way, you have some beautiful gums. We actually haven't seen the photos yet, but we like giving compliments. And literally the same day, like they sent it Monday at 4:16. I got another message at Monday 6:53. Whoops-a-daisy. Hey, we all make mistakes. And it says, honestly, Curry, we have received your photos, but they don't give us a clear view of your chompers. If you could please take a few more teeth selfies, we should be good to go. And then it gives you like some toothy, they call it tooth and selfie tips. And it says, watch the bite. So basically what I did wrong was I was smiling like this, and they need you to do your natural bite. So I have a overbite. I believe it's an overbite because my teeth rest behind my top row teeth. Like my bottom row rests behind my top row. And then I wasn't giving them a clear view of my molars in the back, on the top or bottom. So I had to resend all of that in. And then it says use the buddy system.
Yeah, I used the buddy system, my husband, and they clearly didn't like the photos.
So then I sent them back Tuesday, and it says the same thing. Hey, good looking. We love your photos. And then it says, hey, your photos were approved. And it just said that they approved all my photos. I'm officially on my way to getting the smile that I love. And they said they got your back. Your impressions are in our hand. You're one step closer to a smile that you'll love. We're hard at work reviewing your impressions and building your custom treatment plan once we're done. In about 2 weeks, you'll be able to see how your new smile will come together. So I sent it that Monday. So I sent it in on the 26th. So on the 19th is when I ordered my kit. I got it on the 20th. Yeah, so back to the email. So then it says an update on your impressions. I just got this yesterday night at 6, okay? And it says, impressions can be a fickle thing. We just need a few more grin details from you and we can finish creating your new smile. Your upper impressions were perfect. Nice. But we need you to retake your lower impressions. Use all 4 trays in your retake kit on your lower teeth, and that will give us everything we need to get a great idea of your current smile and help us continue to build your new smile. Order your retake kit for $49. The price of the retake kit will be refunded when you buy a liner. So basically, if you don't buy a liner, they just got you for $49. And y'all, I use the Groupon for $49 to get me the free impression kit and $100 off my liners. So basically they just got the $95 out of me. Oh, I'm sorry, $100. They basically got the $100 that the impression kit cost already. But whatever. It said that I'll get it refunded when I buy the aligner. So I will keep you updated on that. So that's the process we're at now. I've already reordered my retake kit. And when it gets here, I'll do another video and I'll show you everything. It does give me tips on how to do it right. They say that apparently my gum line wasn't showing in my lower teeth. It was showing in my top, but not my lower teeth. So when I get that kit back, I will definitely go ahead and video it and show you all everything and keep you updated on this Smile Direct Club journey, okay? That's all I have time for now, my honest loves. I don't know if y'all can hear, but my baby is like screaming. She's watching The Wiggles, but clearly it's not keeping her attention right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back upstairs and be an awesome mommy to this princess. And until next time, my honest loves, bye.
My shiny teeth